Okay, you guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am starting, I don't know if this is like a vlog or anyways, what we're about to do is put this backsplash up that I wanted on the back of this wall, which I've had this backsplash for a minute, and I think in a previous vlog I showed this, but I didn't have the proper tools to like cut it. Even though it says self-adhesive, this is like it's still like a stone, so we needed something to actually that will cut through this in case it needs to be cut. But my husband's already cleaned off the counters, and I guess the instructions said you have to like clean this before you stick it back there. So yeah, we got several of these, so we're going to start with the back of this wall and go across just to make sure we have enough to at least do this back, because I thought I measured the back and the sides to see, but yeah, we're gonna see. So that is what we're doing. So yeah, if you guys want to see how this turns out with our little project, just keep on watching the video and see how it turns out. So here, I guess we just have to take off all the plugs. And then I have this little area over here that, I don't know, we'll see about this, but we're starting over here. Do you want me to go get the rest of the things, or you just?
You gotta get started first. You gotta get started first. It says you gotta make a solution of water and soap in the bottle.
Okay, so make get a spray bottle and make what, like soap and water?
That's what it says. It says add 1 or 2 teaspoons of liquid soap.
Maybe you get that in there somehow when you start spray the solution here. So yeah.
Say how much or how little.
Just spray a small amount of water and then spread it around to the areas of the adhesive. Adhesive. What language am I speaking?
Yours.
Okay, so this is our finished product. We had to take a break from yesterday, so this is Sunday and we finished up. I think it turned out pretty good, right? And then we have this over here, and he's just adding some finishing touches over here. And now it's time to clean up all of this mess that he made. Because we still have not cooked dinner. So yeah. Okay, so we have got most of our stuff back on the counter. And now we're just starting dinner. He's about to make some cheddar. Oh, what is it? Red Lobster cheddar biscuits. These are butter cheddar biscuits. Look. Old Bay butter.
Red Lobster's biscuits.
Oh, Cheddar Bay biscuits. So I want to show y'all guys what we're eating after we did this hard work of putting up this towel. Well, I watched. He did all the work, but we did these cheddar biscuits and these mussels. I'm just gonna have some broccoli and then some mashed potatoes. And then we got this, ooh, it's fogged up. And then the salmon, which should be almost done. You think? This really wasn't a vlog, but we will catch you guys in the next video.